Basic usage of have. I have plus, noun. By using the words I have, you are informing someone of something you have possession of or have acquired. Here are some examples. I have a cat. I have a nice car. I have a house. I have a computer. I have a headache. You may hear the words cannot and won't used with I have. By adding these you can express what you will not put up with or allow. Here are some examples. I cannot have that behavior in my house. I cannot have you over tonight. I won't have anything to do with that. I won't have it any other way. I have something plus, verb. When using the expression I have something, you are communicating that you possess something or need to do something that is unspecified or undetermined. Here are some examples. I have something to complete. I have something to share with you. I have something important to tell you. I have something to encourage you. I have something to explain to you. I have something special planned for your birthday. I have something else to consider. I have something to apologize about. I have something to attend tonight. I have something to ask you. I have something fun for us to do. I'm having a hard time plus, verb-ing. By stating you are having a hard time, you are letting someone know you are having difficulty with something. This could be something physical or mental and something that could be overcome with effort. Here are some examples. I'm having a hard time writing. I'm having a hard time understanding you. I'm having a hard time answering your question. I'm having a hard time downloading songs to my iPod. I'm having a hard time agreeing to the terms. With the addition of an adverb, you can express in more detail just how difficult something is for you. Here are some examples. I'm having an extremely hard time trusting you. I'm having an extremely hard time with my wife. I'm having a very hard time finding a job. I'm having a very hard time finding parts for my car. I have plus, past participle. Again, I have shows possession or something acquired. By adding a past participle, you are informing someone of a past or completed action done by you. Here are some examples. I have done it. I have heard that before. I have driven a car. I have forgotten the words. I have read that book. I have eaten at that restaurant before. I have flown in an airplane. I have forgiven you. I have seen you before. I have written a letter. I've heard that plus, subject plus verb. You are letting someone know that you are aware of something or that you have been informed of something that is taking place. This could be something that has already happened or something happening in the near future. I've is a contraction of the words I have. Here are some examples. I've heard that you got a new job. I've heard that you want to leave your job. I've heard that you got a new car. I've heard that you like to jog. I've heard that you fix computers. I've heard that you've never been to Canada. I've heard that you like to shop. I've heard that you and your boss don't get along. I've heard that there is no school next week. I've heard that your wife is a yoga instructor. I have to plus verb. The words have to describe something that needs to take place soon. It expresses certainty, necessity, or obligation. Here are some examples. I have to switch schools. I have to use the telephone. I have to go to the bathroom. I have to leave. I have to unpack my bags. You can also add the word don't to suggest that someone is not required to do something. I don't have to switch schools. I don't have to use the telephone. I don't have to go to the bathroom. I don't have to leave. I don't have to unpack my bags.